Here, we're going to pull the rope attachment, we're going to lengthen it. And we want to twist in the opposite direction of our leg as well. So what this does is it prevents you from twisting. So you want to hold that rope attachment, and then we are going to try and twist. So lock those hips, lock like glue as well. And we twist all the way, keeping your arm straight. And back. Check out twist even there. Keep the twist throughout and take slowly the twist up. I like to take my pauses as well here at the bottom and squeeze that elbow and armpit down towards the hip.